y'all, I'm Alex. Today we're going to go over 3 different drills that you can do at home to help you strengthen up your hips, and these will also help you get your kicks better. Now let's get started. This first drill is going to involve a side kick. All you're going to do is just hold on to a wall, chair, something, just kind of help you with balance. And all you're going to start with is a side kick low, basically kind of to the ground towards your ankle. From there, you're going to do a leg raise to about your body height, and then you're going to re-chamber, side kick towards the head. And then you're just going to restart from there. Low side kick, leg raise, head level side kick. What I want you to do for this drill is 5 reps on each side and do this for about 3 sets. This next drill is going to involve a roundhouse kick. Same thing, you're just going to hold on to a chair or a wall to help you with balance. So for this drill, you're going to be doing low to high roundhouse kicks. You're going to be doing 5. And this is how it's going to go. You're going to do it slow first. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to go a little bit faster the second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to count as 1 rep. Okay, you're going to do this 3 reps, so you're going to do it again. So 1 rep is it going slow, and then the next one, that counts as 1 rep. You're going to do this 3 reps with the right, 3 reps with the left, and do this for about 3 sets. This last drill, we're going to be still holding on to the chair or the wall. This time we're going to run through 5 of our basic kicks. So you're going to start off from here. The first one's going to be a front kick, re-chamber. Then we're going to go for the axe kick motion, re-chamber. Then we're going to pivot for a roundhouse kick, chamber for a side kick, and then chamber for a hook kick. Okay, so those are our 5 kicks we're going to run through. Front kick, axe, round, side, hook. You're just going to run through those. Once you run through all 5, that counts as 1 rep. The same thing, we're just going to do 3 reps with the right, 3 reps with the left. Do this for about 3 sets as well.
Rewind.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what else you would like to see in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one.